Okay, so it's a question 10 is an either or question. Let's look at the first one. So we have a series of steps 1, 2, 3, which shows the extraction of titanium metal. Okay, so leave you to read that. Deduce the structure and bonding in titanium tetrachloride. So what is the info here? It says that its boiling point, right, is 136. So this is a relatively low boiling point. So it should be weak intermolecular forces instead of like ionic or metallic, things like that. Okay, so it's a simple covalent molecule because it has a low boiling point. Okay, so we can deduce that there's weak intermolecular forces of attraction. So what's so unusual about this bonding is because between a metal and a non-metal, we should actually form an ionic compound. But in this case, it forms a covalent. They also want you to suggest a reason why electrolysis of this titanium tetrachloride is not used to extract titanium. Okay, so if you want to extract any metal, right, it has to be ionic. It has to be molten like a sodium chloride, right? If it is molten, you can actually electrolyze and get your sodium metal. But here, since it is like a molecule, it's neutral, it's not charged, we cannot use electrolysis since the current cannot be carried by anything. There's no current to carry the electrical charges so that you can discharge, right? You can discharge the metal out. Okay, so this only works for ionic compound. B part 1 wants you to write the chemical equation to show the reaction that occurs in step 1. So this one I won't be explaining here. All you need to do is to just balance the atoms on both sides. Okay, explain how the product of step 1 affects the health of human. So one of the product is carbon monoxide, which causes carbon monoxide poisoning. Why carbon monoxide poisoning? Because the hemoglobin, after it binds with your carbon monoxide, right, it is irreversible. So it means that your hemoglobin is useless. It cannot bind with oxygen anymore. So you will die of carbon monoxide poisoning. Okay, same thing for C1. I will leave you to balance this equation. The reactants and products are all described in the table. What can you deduce from the reaction in step 2 regarding reactivity of magnesium and titanium? So in step 2, right, magnesium displaces titanium from titanium tetrachloride. So it is more reactive. Only a more reactive metal can displace a less reactive metal from their compounds. Hi parents and students, I'm Mr. Kwa, founder and principal tutor from Mr. Khemistry. I do these videos to help more students understand difficult chem concepts, and hopefully more needy students who are not able to afford tuition, they can benefit from these videos. Please help me click that like button and share it with your friends so that more students can benefit. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.